Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video, we will continue from where we stopped yesterday, which is how to trade spikes using the trend in boom and crash. Yesterday, we focused our attention on spikes trading in boom. Okay, we checked out boom 1000, then we checked out boom 500. Then I explained on things that you need to look out for, the exact trend that you need to be in order for you to maximize enough profits, or to maximize the opportunity for you to trade spikes successfully. Okay, so that is what we checked out yesterday. Today we will be focusing on crash, and we will check out the exact trend to focus on, the things to look out for before we place our order in trading spikes. Okay, don't worry, this is going to be very educative. It's going to be well detailed. If you missed my last video, that of yesterday, then you can go back to the channel and watch the part 1. Okay, today's one is going to be the part 2. But before we go fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In case you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. All you just need to do is just to make sure you understand everything explained in my videos, and also practice and perfect your skill on your demo account first before you try them out on your real account. That is very, very important. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And of course, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot, because I usually dish out training videos like this all the time. So all you just need to do to achieve this is to check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, let's go straight into what we have for today. Okay, like I said yesterday, we started this topic on spikes trading, focusing on the trend, and we focus more on the boom. Okay, the reason why we are taking so much attention on trend trading, okay, is because if you are able to identify the trend, then you don't have a problem in trading again, because all you just need to do is just to follow the exact trend that is going on. Okay, once you know the trend, the best trend to trade spikes, then you will know when to go in and trade spikes. Okay, and if you are trading normally, once you know the exact trend that we usually have more spikes happening, then you will stay out of the market whenever you are in such situation. Okay, so that is why we are focusing more on trend trading. Okay, so for crash, okay, let me quickly give us a quick recap on boom. For boom, we said our trend usually occur around the support region, which is very, very important. Okay, then of course it's also happen when there is a breakout above the resistance level, because at that stage, once there is a breakout above the resistance level, that resistance level turn out to be a support immediately, and it will start, we will be having more spikes happening around there. Okay, and which means that spikes in boom usually happen when the market is on uptrend. Okay, so we get more of it happening in uptrend. So that's just a quick recap of what we did in the last video, in the part 1 of this particular video. Okay, so let's go straight to the part 2 right away. This time around, we are focusing on crash, either crash 1000 or crash 500. Okay, the same strategy for the two, just that crash 500 is more volatile and pays more compared to crash 1000. Okay, and just the way it pays more, it can also help you to lose more profit, I mean more of your capital or your profit, whichever one, whenever you are trading compared to crash 1000. So all these are very, very important. Okay, when we talk about spikes trading in crash, okay, it means the drop down candle in that occur suddenly whenever you are trading crash. Okay, I don't usually want to call it spike. Whenever it comes to crash, I call it the drop down candles. Okay, but that is what most people usually call it. Okay, and I would like to say that these usually happen generally if you are targeting crash, I mean spikes in crash. You should target the resistance level. Okay, you should target the resistance level, most especially the major resistance level. Once you are able to target that, then that is where we usually have the spikes happening. Okay, then another area where we usually have the spikes happening is when there is a breakout. Okay, is when there is a breakout below the support region. Okay, below the support region, which means the price action is coming down, got to the support region, went back up, then came back down again. Okay, sorry, then came back down again, and at that stage it's crashed down, it breaks out from this support region, and it starts crashing down and down and down below the support region. Okay, at this stage the support region is now turned into resistance level. Okay, because it will serve as obstacle. If this is coming back, it won't allow it to go back easily, and it can still pull it back downward. Okay, so at this stage this also means that the resistance region is a major region for us to trade our spikes in crash. Okay, and which trend is best suitable, I mean is the most suitable trend for trading spikes in crash? The best trend to trade spikes in crash is downtrend. Okay, when the market is on downtrend, around there we have more crashes happening compared to when the market is on uptrend. Okay, I hope you got that right. Okay, I hope you get that right. Around there we have more spikes happening uh, compared to when it is on uptrend. I want you to understand something. This is basically for crash, not boom. Okay, so don't get them mixed up. Okay, so it is on downtrend that we usually have spikes happening in crash. So let's go straight into the chart to see some of these examples. Okay, we will be focusing on crash. Okay, so I'm going to take it down to 5 minutes. That is why it is always important you are able to identify some of these areas. Okay, you are able to identify your trend, which is very, very important. Your trend will also help you to identify your support and resistance level. It will also help you to identify your entry point and your exit point. Okay, but if you are not very good with your TA, then that is when you will need the help of your trading tools like custom made indicators, such as what I'm having on my system right away. If you should check out right here, this particular indicator is telling us the trend. Okay, right from here, that is when it got to this resistance region. Like I said, spikes usually happen around the resistance region in crash 1000. You can see this resistance region, this red line or red bar is a resistance region. You can see that when the price action got there, even when the market is on uptrend, was on uptrend, it crashed down. Okay, you can see right here again, it got there again because it is a very fouled one, it still crashed down. Okay, and at that stage the market changed from uptrend to downtrend. So you can see that we had multiple spikes or crash down candles around here. Okay, this happened. I mean, we got about 58 candles here. You can do the calculation to know the number of minutes spent. Okay, 58 candles times 5. Okay, because we are on 5 minute time frame, that is 290 minutes divided by 60. Let's check out the number of hours spent there. Okay, that is about 4 hours, almost 5 hours. You can imagine that, almost 5 hours. Okay, that is amazing, isn't it? So that is it. You can see that even when we had our buy signal, it was not for long compared to the crashes that are happening. Check out here again, from here to here. Check out the crashes that happened. That's amazing. This is another 25. But when the market turned from downtrend to uptrend, you can see that we have lesser amounts of crashes happening compared to the buy candles that were created, the bullish candle that were created. So that is the difference between you knowing what you are doing and you not knowing what you are doing. If you know that whenever the market is on downtrend for crash, that is the best time. You take note of every resistance level. Every resistance levels are important. Can you imagine placing an order here, placing another one here, placing another one here, another one here, and another one here, and on each of them crashes are happening? On each of them you would have milked the market from here to here, or even to this level. You can imagine that. That is amazing, guys. That is amazing. So let's check out crash 500 again to see if this actually works for it also. Okay, guys, you can see what I'm talking about. You can see this is the downtrend region. Because it is crash 500, it is more volatile, so it's going to, that is why the chart is looking like this. Okay, you can see we had several crashes around here. You can see the trend of the market moving downwards. Okay, the crashes are longer than when it was on uptrend, and we have multiples of them happening around the downtrend region. Okay, check out this long one. It's a very long one. Okay, it's a very long one. So you can imagine, if you are in the market and you already understand when to place your trade for crashes, then you decide to do that and it happened. Okay, you will be able to milk the market for long. Okay, can you imagine you knowing that the trend will be changing from uptrend to downtrend starting from here, and you place your order here? Probably you place your order here at every point in time where you are having a pullback. It is an opportunity for you to place another one. So you place another one here and you still place another one here. Okay, you can see this will be in profit, this will be in profit. You are waiting for this. Okay, immediately the crash happen, then these two will be in profit, and all this will be in more profit, and you will be in profit till the end of the trend. This is where the trend came to an end, and you will definitely close all your trades right here, and that will make you, it will help you to milk the market for a very long time, and you will milk it successfully without any hiccups. Okay, guys, this is everything that, this is all we have for you in today's training, guys. So I want you to go back to your chart. If you're having this setup, I want you to go back to your chart, have it on your demo account. Don't worry, the setup will work on your demo account and on your real account. Okay, for those of you that have gotten it, okay, have it on your demo account first. Okay, watch this video over and over. I'll take note of some important information that I have given, that I have dished out in this video, and I'll make sure you put them into practice throughout today, and let's see if you are able to milk the market successfully. For those of you that sent that of yesterday to me, I'm really happy that you guys really got the message, as in you were able to milk the market successfully, even though most of the screenshots you sent to me were demo account. That was what I asked you to do. I said you should use your demo account, and I'm really happy that you guys follow the instruction. And may God bless you. I'm really happy that you follow the instruction, so you can practice over and over till you are convinced that you are confident enough to go into your real account and duplicate the same result. Then you do that gradually till you get used to it. Okay, so for those of you that are watching me today, you can still send your results to me. I mean, that of yesterday for boom, but this time around I want you to do the same thing for crash. Okay, I want you to have the same setup on your chart, on your demo account first. Okay, let's focus on demo account. It is better we learn the process first before we start going into the real account. Okay, once you learn the process, this process will help you to keep on making money every day, even without watching my video again. Okay, so that is it. So all you just need to do is just to have the setup on your chart, on your demo account, then practice with it throughout today. Let's see if you will be able to make some profit for yourself. Okay, let's do that, guys. Let's do that. I will be expecting your result. I will be expecting your result. So, guys, I will be stopping right here. And also remember to join me tonight for another opportunity on the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. This particular program, we usually have it every night, and it's always live and direct. Okay, do not forget to join me so that you can milk the market successfully with this opportunity. And of course, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. You need to do so right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.